Hi, everyone. My name is Ravindra Paul. I'm the Senior Director of Power Module Design at onsemi. I'm here to talk about onsemi's latest offerings for e-compressor. This is for an auxiliary motor drive in an electric car. So the solution at hand is called the ASPM26 Automotive Smart Power Module. 6 power switches, gate drivers integrated, including passives, one single component. Simplicity of design. We are looking at one power module here to replace 6 discrete components, 6 gate driver ICs, passive components, isolation foil. So one single component to replace over 20 individual parts in a given inverter system. This is rated 1200 volts. We have 25 amperes, 40 amperes, and the best in class is 60 amperes. So 60 amps, 1200 volts. You can't really get to this power level with discrete components. So this offers really scalable platform power solution. Third is reliability, high reliability operation. The chip technology is field stop 7 1200 volts. This is qualified with AEC Q101 standards. And the power module itself will be qualified with AQG 324. So this really ensures very high reliability operation. So the demo kit here incorporates the ASPM 26 component. We have the chassis, which replicates an actual e-compressor system in a car, inlets and outlets for the liquid cool, and a very innovative heatsink here, which has its pedestal raise. And the function of this is to increase the creepage and clearance between the terminals and the heatsink. The ASPM 26, simplicity of design, innovatively integrated, high reliability, and high quality. Thank you.